Okay, so gold outlook, how do we trade this, and what are we looking at right now? Okay, so this H4 time frame, and as I mentioned before, we spotted a bullish divergence here. So from here, no, zoom out lang tayo. Pantay-pantay sila sa support zone, but ito, no, yan, yan. As you can see, oversold. Oversold din naman to, pero mas mataas to, no? Yan. And dito, di na umabot sa oversold levels. So that only means that yung mga sellers are actually weakening, and we're able to spot this and was able to provide trade signals sa ating Telegram community. Okay, so dito tayo mentor sa breakout and also sa retest, right? So from here, how do we trade this? Lahat ng actually ng tinantosan natin na mga ano no, ng mga resistance na break ni gold. So ang gusto natin mangyari, no, the ideal scenario is that it goes back here around this area, ayan, sa area na yan, and then shoot up siya, no, sa 4137. Okay? So nabangga siya actually dito sa resistance level na to. Ayan. Yan yung mga resistance level na yan. So ito, nabasag niya only to go back pabalik, no? So what I'm looking at here is that uh, we can still see gold going up in the short term, right? But we're not actually shooting for the moon because oil, USD, Brent, WTI, all the oil commodities and dollar is actually still up. The Fed interest rate is actually the narrative of the Fed interest rate hike is still there. So we don't want to be very bullish here kay gold. But of course, we respect itong move na to and we want to ride this. Right? So until such time na ma-break ito ni gold, itong trend line na to, then we go back to selling. Okay? But so far, if it goes like this, and of course, we enter there. Okay? Targeting 4137 again, um, and having our stop loss around below 4050. Okay? So as for the DMI, okay, so there's momentum. It's going up na. So yung DI plus is up above the DI minus, no, and ADX is at 20, so it's gaining momentum. But if it's above the 25, then we can say that it's already uh, gaining big momentum, no, huge momentum na pag nag 25 na yung ADX natin. As for the ATR, very volatile, and tingnan natin. So you can see 30 for the last 14 candles, right? It's very volatile. So that's why if you are trading at the higher time frame H4, you need to have that much of a space for gold. So for example, if you are trading with an SL of 30 or 35, then depende sa account mo. You compute if you have, let's say, 1,000, no? 1,000. And then you compute, no, yung 2%. Yung 2% yan. What's the 2% of 1,000? So 20. Diba? So hanggang 20 dollars ka lang na SL. So you need to go below the time frame. Okay? But if you have so ito nga, no, $1,000 na, and if you have 0.01 lot size and with that kind of stop, that's still uh, risky pa rin, no? Malaki pa rin yung risk mo. So what more pa if maliit yung account size mo. So again, risk management is all, and even though na mali ang technical analysis, if tama naman or okay naman ang iyong risk management, then you will still come up profitable. So if you were able to ride this, you can actually trail this. So from here, if you were able to buy it around 4,000, let's say no, kasi nag-signal tayo dyan, around 4,000. So you can actually put your stop at around 4,042 or actually at around below 4,075. Okay, so those are the levels you can put your trail stop. Right, so whatever happens, you are already profitable. Okay, so going back, dollar is still going up with the Fed interest rate hike narrative is still going on. U.S. Iran war is still going. So actually, all is pointing downwards for gold. But this is actually a technical exhaustion, no? So talagang pinaprice in na forward-looking si gold na matatapos na itong war. But there's no such evidence yet. Nagbobombahan pa rin sila and it's actually getting worse. So for now, as long as these trend lines are still intact, then we continue to buy gold and we continue to support no yung long positions natin and we trail our stops if we were able to buy below 4,050. No? So there's still much of an upside here. So pag-akyat niyan, possibly for 185 is a very big or a major resistance level. Next could be at around here, no? 4,347. So for now, those are the levels that we can target. As you can see, very steep, no? So there's still this level na pwedeng balikan, right? And that's it for our gold outlook. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.